In this video, I am going to show you how to rectify the error of Azure Remote Desktop Access. First, I am just showing the error what we are getting. Due to some security reason, I have masked some details. Remote desktop connection was disconnected. Error from Microsoft Azure service. First, we need to create the RDP file for rectifying this issue. For that one, first open the remote desktop client using run command mstsc. Then enter the IP address colon with the port. Then press options. You can see save as button. Here press the save as button. Save the details with the name. Here I am saving with the RDP. Then save. Here we have already saved the RDP access as an RDP. Then we need to open the PowerShell with the run as administrator. Then locate the file which we saved. For that purpose, we need to use the cd command. Here I am using C drive, so I am just selecting. For locating, we can use the command cd, then location, then enter. Now we have reached the same location. Here we can use the command mstsc, then the file name rdp. RDP is the file extension. We need to type the name, then extension. Here we used RDP as file name. That is the reason it is showing to RDP. Then space /admin. Then press the enter button. Then press connect. Enter the username and password of Azure Windows Administrator. Once after login the server, we need to press the run command. Then open the registry of the server. Then find the RDP grace period from local machines. Here I am just showing the path of that one. You can use the description for the reference. First export the registry file. Then take the permission of registry. If you are directly deleting, the file will not be deleted. If you want to delete the grace period, first we need to take the ownership. Then give the full access. Apply. OK. Now we can delete the grace period. Then restart the server. This will resolve the RDP access issue of Azure. For verifying this one, we can try to log in. Now the system is logging with the normal RDP access. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.